Lewis Dutton ar gic I ddannedd y gwynt yma yn yr OPS Wind Arena. Lee Thomas at Danny Brookwell. Brookwell ar ediad. A Joe Palmer ar dacl. Ac mae'n drosedd ac yn Gerdyn Melyn. Ail Gerdyn Melyn I Joe Palmer. A wedi dim ond hanner awr. Mae'r ymwelwyr I lawr I 10 dyn am gyfle I Llandudno rwan. Awr I chwarae efo dyn ychwanegol. Ryan Edwards at Spender. Gwynt yn ffafrio Airbus yn yr ail hanner yma. Spender I fewn i'r cwrt a'n Elliot. Adam Davies. Davies yn cael ei reslo i'r llawr gan Lee Thomas ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn. 5 munud I fewn i'r ail hanner. Trosedd amlwg gan Thomas. Cyfle rwan I brif sgoriwr y cyngrair Adam Davies I roi Airbus ar y blaen. Davies. O, dros y bar. Wel, prawf bod y goreion yn methu weithiau. Tafliad hir, mae'n symud bob ffordd ac allan at Pierce. Nôl mae'n mynd. O, Lee Thomas llawio honna ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn arall. Un o chwaraewyr mwyaf dibynadwy Llandudno dros y blynyddoedd dwytha. Lee Thomas wedi ildio 2 gic o'r smotyn yn yr ail hanner yma. A Jake Eyre y tro hwn i'w chymryd I a dim trafferth gan Jake Eyre. Dim ond ar y cae ers 2 funud. 20 munud i'w chwarae yma. Ac mae Airbus ar y blaen. Jake Eyre, y sgoriwr, meddwl am groesi nôl, mae'n dod at Spender. Spender I fewn at Nathan Brown. Brown yn troi'n ergydio, Pearson yn arbed! Ond Lansley'n ymateb gynta. A dyna hir triphwynt I Airbus does bosib. 87 o funudau I chwarae. Dyn yn bren am ran heleth o'r gêm yma. Ond Airbus yn mynd â hi. Llandudno dim, Airbus 2.
I thought the performance today was magnificent. I thought conditions weren't great for both teams. First half, we battled against the wind and kept it to 0-0. Great team performance. I don't think you realise that we're down to 10 men for an hour. So it's a fantastic result for us today.
Disappointing afternoon in the end, Sean.
Yeah, very. There's a lot of disappointed lads in there, in fairness. The wind was, a leveller, to be fair. We thought in the first half with them going down to 10 men, we could maybe get on the ball, a little bit more. It was difficult. We did try. We got ourselves into some good areas, but, it wasn't to be. Second half, we knew it'd be tough. I think with Airbus, having a man less, the wind just made the 11th man, really, to be honest. And I think maybe on the balance of play, they've probably played the conditions a little bit better than us, so we're disappointed. We've obviously had chances in the game. We've worked Dutton a couple of times. We got ourselves in good areas, like in the final third. But yeah, sadly, it wasn't to be. Credit to Airbus. Obviously, they got the win. We just got to make sure we dust ourselves down now and go again in 2 weeks' time.
The elements definitely played a part. It was a real. I'd like to say game of 2 halves, but essentially I think we played the conditions better. We dug in first half, wind against, real tough first half, and then just used the win to our advantage second half. So it was it was a tough battle, but yeah, really pleased with the result.
Gwnawn andros o siomedig ar ôl rhediad o 9 buddugoliaeth. Oedd o'n mynd I ddod I ddiwedd eventually, ond oedden ni'n gobeithio sef o ddim heddiw. Ond dyna fo, it's a set back in the road, we go again.
And then obviously now this opens up a nice little gap for you at the top of the table.
Yeah, I think we've gone 4 clear from Llandudno today, plus a game in hand. So, but we've got another tough game next week against Guilsfield.
Are you thinking about promotion at this point?
No. If I'm honest, like I said, we just want to win every game. From the start of the season to the end of the season, that's what we aim to do. And if we get promotion with it, great. But it won't be worth from not trying.
It is what it is. I think I've heard Tomo from them going, how's he not got manager of the month now? Speaking about Shosh, but they've been incredibly consistent. And we've gone toe to toe with him. Over 9 games. Sadly, we couldn't make it 10, and Airbus have. But I'm not taking anything away from them. It's credit to them. It's 3 points. But I'm almost sure Shosh and his management team and his players, they're already focusing now on Guilsfield. We've got to do the same and focus on Llangefni. But yeah, the manager of the month curse is hit, unfortunately.